This video will demonstrate how to execute a Silk4J test via the command line. Before we begin, we ensure that a Java runtime environment, a JRE, is installed. We can easily confirm this by starting the command prompt window and entering the command java-version. With Eclipse open and the Silk4J project selected, navigate to File Export. With the Export dialog open, select jar file under the Java folder and click Next. Ensure that the project to be exported is selected and that the options Export generated class files and resources and Export Java source files and resources are checked. Specify an export destination for the jar file by using the Browse button. Make sure that you do not save the jar file to the Documents and Settings folder or to any subfolders, as these directories are protected. Click Save and Finish to complete the export. Next, we need to confirm the location of the files JUnit jar and org hamcrest core jar. Within the exported project, locate the subfolder JUnit4 and expand it. Take note of the location of the files JUnit jar and org hamcrest core jar. The last file that we require is located in the installation directory of Silk test, as shown here. For the purpose of this video, the required files have been placed in the same directory as the exported jar file. We now have the required details to execute a test from the command prompt window. We changed the directory to the location of the exported jar file. We will now enter the command to execute a test from the command line. We begin by entering java-cp, open quotations, and reference the exported jar file, the JUnit jar file, the silktest JTF jar file, and lastly the org hamcrest jar file. Close quotations, and we complete the command by calling org JUnit runner JUnit core, followed by the class name of the exported jar file. We press return and you will see that the test will execute. The test opens in IE and performs a simple login and logout against a sample website.